only about the tier 1 exam. Okay. Now in tier 1 exam, guys, totally, one second, one second. Now is my voice audible? Is still do you have problem, guys? Is it audible now? Okay, okay, fine. So in this class, we will discuss about only tier 1 exam, guys. Okay. Now in tier 1 exam, what are the topics we have? We have aptitude, that is quantitative aptitude, general awareness, and reasoning, analytical reasoning, okay, and verbal ability. These are the four topics that we will be having in the tier 1 exam. Now, coming to quantitative aptitude, there are exactly 25 questions. Here also 25 questions. Here also 25 questions. And here also 25 questions. Now, in all, for all these 100 questions, you will be getting exactly 60 minutes, just like banking exam. The only difference here is in banking exam, in preliminary exam, we will be having, can you give me the earphones? Just a second. Let me change my audio device. Let me change my audio device. Nikita, as I told you earlier, while talking, we shall talk in English. But when we are solving problems, we will do both in English as well as Hindi. Okay? हर problem हिंदी में भी पढ़ाया जाएगा. Okay? Okay, am I audible now? Am I audible now clearly? Am I audible now clear? Voice is clear? Yeah, I just changed the device. ओके ओके प्रिया आई एम सो सॉरी मैडम, हम लोग गूगल मीट्स यूज नहीं करते, हमारे पास सिर्फ जूम है और जूम के अलावा यूट्यूब क्लासेस चलता है. देखो सारे क्लासेस सिर्फ यूट्यूब लाइव में ही चलता है, तो जब भी हमको कोई टेक्निकल इश्यूज आता है तभी सिर्फ जूम यूज करते हैं. ठीक है ना? ओके चलो. सो कमिंग बैक the tier 1 exam, we will be discussing only about the tier 1 exam. okay, तो tier 1 exam में क्या क्या होता है? quantitative aptitude, general awareness, analytical reasoning and verbal ability. okay, तो इन चारों टॉपिक में the most important and complicated topic होता है quantitative aptitude, right? Because you need more time to prepare for quantitative aptitude guys, unless other topics. ये बाकी तीनों टॉपिक yes easily prepare कर सकते हैं. और एक बात, people from you know Hindi background or Kannada or Telugu background, they will face problem with the verbal ability. okay, so these two are the main focus topics. तो इन दोनों टॉपिक पे आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा ध्यान देना पड़ता है. Now coming to general awareness and analytical reasoning, you can understand within one time guys. बस एक बार पढ़ने से समझ में आ जाता है. लेकिन बाकी जो टॉपिक्स है ना, क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड एंड वर्बल एबिलिटी, no, you have to put more efforts on them. So our primary concentration will be on quantitative aptitude. okay, so now what all we study in the quantitative aptitude? So let us first discuss the syllabus on quantitative aptitude, guys. Okay, now can you see the board? Audio video both clear? Audio video both clear? Please respond one more time. Yes, excellent, guys. Okay, so let us talk about syllabus of quantitative aptitude in detail for now. Observe. Just a second. Okay, quantitative aptitude. Now, in quantitative aptitude, what is the most important topic? According to me, it is speed maths. Why? Guys, let us do little mathematics here. देखो हमारे पास है 100 क्वेश्चंस, ओके, और टाइम मिलता है 60 मिनट्स. तो इसका मतलब 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 100, 60 by 100 minutes per question, okay, which is nothing but 3 by 5 minutes per question. If I convert it into seconds, so 12 into 3 36 सेकेंड. इसका मतलब हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको मिलता है सिर्फ 36 seconds. Now, is there any sectional timing? No, there is no sectional timing. In 60 minutes, you can attend all the 100 questions. Okay? Now, when we do the mathematics, we are getting exactly 36 seconds पर क्वेश्चन. हर एक क्वेश्चन के लिए आपको मिलता है सिर्फ 30 seconds. तो इसका मतलब आपको क्या क्या करना है इधर? You have to read the question, understand the question, and you have to create the solution as well in 36 seconds, which is impossible. Why? ये भी सोचो. देखो एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के लिए, एक क्वेश्चन पढ़ने के लिए आपको चाहिए 15 से 20 मिनट. यू नीड 15 to 20 seconds just to read the question, right? It means you'll be left with only 16 seconds. क्या सिर्फ 16 seconds में आप पूरा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं? No. Priya will come to that point. Don't worry about it. Okay, now in 16 seconds alone you cannot solve it. Now to do that, what is the most important thing you need? Speed maths. Now what all we have to learn in speed maths? In speed mathematics, first thing, you need to concentrate on addition, you need to concentrate on subtraction, multiplication, squares, square roots, cube roots. You don't need cubes, do not worry about it. आपको सिर्फ क्यूब रूट्स चाहिए और इसके अलावा परसेंटेजेस. Now this is again, percentages is very important concept. Why? Understand. सर सिर्फ ये टॉपिक के ऊपर बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स डिपेंडेंट है, लाइक प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन. इसका इतना ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है इधर इन एसएससी, बट इट इज अ डिपेंडिंग ऑन परसेंटेजेस. इसके अलावा का मिक्सचर्स और व्हाट एल्स टॉपिक्स, रेशियोस, partnerships. Now these are the topics which are directly depending on percentages. So that is the reason percentages again makes one of the very important concepts in aptitude. Now without understanding percentages, you cannot attend any of these questions, people, right? So our primary focus once again will be on percentages. Now we will discuss all these topics in detail along with percentages. ये होता है speed mathematics. Okay, do not worry about it. Each and every single topic I mentioned will be clearly explained starting from tomorrow. Okay, so regarding the class timings, I will tell you guys, do not worry about it. Now next, after speed maths, What else we have to study? The other topics in quantitative aptitude, we will have percentage. Again, इसके ऊपर जो भी topics आते हैं, those are which we discussed, like profit and loss, simple interest and compound interest, mixtures. Okay, sufficient. Now इसके अलावा ratios, averages, number system. Now we call them basic concepts. Percentage, ratios, averages and number system. These four are basic concepts. Okay, you gonna use these concepts. These concepts will be part of the questions from the other topics. For example, problems on ages. Now in ages questions, you will find ratios as well as averages. Time and work. In time and work also, in time and work and in time, speed and distance, once again we'll find ratios and averages, and number system will be there in each and every topic. So in सारे topic को हम बोलते हैं, these are nothing but basic topics, basic concepts, the most important ones. Now इसके बाद आते हैं application concepts. तो ये क्या होता है application concepts? ये profit and loss, simple interest, compound interest, mixtures, time and work, time, speed and distance, permutation and combination, probability, ages, sufficient, and one more, partnership. Now these are application concepts. Now we cannot start these topics, we call them application concepts. Okay, application concepts. Now we cannot start these concepts unless we finish the basic concepts. In the first 1 week, it means this week, this entire week will be concentrating only on speed mathematics and speed maths and basic concepts. That's it. Now we cannot complete basic concepts in this week. We will work this week as well as next week. Both the weeks we will be discussing speed maths and basic concepts. Soon after that we will start with application concepts. Are we done with aptitude now? No, अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है. इसके अलावा और क्या क्या पढ़ना है? Still you have advanced maths. Now what all we have in advanced mathematics? We will be having geometry. Now geometry, in geometry what all we have? We'll be having triangles, we'll be having circles and different centers, triangles and their centers. We will be having mensuration, and tangents. Now these are the topics important in geometry. After geometry, we will be having algebra. Now algebra, basic algebra like linear equations and quadratic equations, sufficient. Linear equations and quadratic equations along with algebraic identities. ये बहुत important है. Now what are these algebraic identities? Let me list them out for you. In algebraic identities, आपको पता है a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square, और a plus b plus c whole square, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. ये सारे अभी बहुत सारे, इन सबको हम लोग बोलते हैं algebraic identities. So these are the topics which are important under algebra. Now are we done? No, not yet. Still we have trigonometry, basics of trigonometry, not in depth, only basics are sufficient. उसके अलावा heights and distances, heights and distances. Okay, so these are the topics that we will be discussing in the entire aptitude section. In the aptitude section, let us finalize, guys, what all we have in aptitude section. One is speed math and basic aptitude. Speed math and basic aptitude और बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स. नो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स के अंदर परसेंटेजेस, रेशियोस, एवरेजेस और नंबर सिस्टम. ओके, ये है पहला टॉपिक एप्टीट्यूड में. दूसरा दूसरा होगा एप्लीकेशन कॉन्सेप्ट्स. एप्लीकेशन कॉन्सेप्ट्स में बहुत सारे आते हैं. विच ऑल दोस? प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट एंड कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट, time and work, time, speed and distance, permutation and combination, probability, ages, partnership, or clocks. Even those topics also we can discuss. Now, uske alawa advanced math. Advanced math, you can see what all we have here. That is, in advanced math, geometry, algebra, trigonometry, heights and distances. So these are all the topics that we will be discussing in quantitative aptitude. Very big chapter, guys, and it is gonna take more time. Like we're gonna spend most of the time on quantitative aptitude only. Okay, now based on this, do you have any doubts so far on quantitative aptitude? आपको, एक्सक्यूज मी, सिलेबस कब तक कंप्लीट हो जाएगा? प्रिया, I cannot assure you about the syllabus. We need 1 week. But one thing we will assure you guys, we will cover entire syllabus before your tier 1 exam, along with the question paper solving. Along with the question paper solving. मैं आपको ये गारंटी देता हूं, एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 पेपर्स का एनालिसिस भी हो जाएगा. 5 to 10 papers of a tier 1 exam, full set. Okay, इनका एनालिसिस भी हो जाएगा. Now one thing here, guys. Yes, Bindu, we will share it in the YouTube as well. Okay, yes, Gausia, आपको सारे शॉर्टकट ट्रिक्स. Now one thing I'll tell you, एक बार हमारा ट्रिक्स देख लीजिए आप. If you find these kind of tricks in any other channel, I'll suggest you go and watch their people. मैंने अभी तक आपको शुरू नहीं किया ट्रिक्स. जब हम लोग स्पीड मैथमेटिक्स शुरू करते हैं तब आपको पता चलेगा. तो इसका पहले ही आपको देखना है. मैंने ऑलरेडी टेलीग्राम चैनल में आपको सारे लिंक्स भेज दिया स्पीड मैथमेटिक्स का. वी हैव स्पीड मैथमेटिक्स इन बोथ इंग्लिश एज वेल एज हिंदी, सेपरेट वीडियोस. यू कैन जस्ट गो एंड वॉच देम. और टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स एनीवेज वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. Pratik Das, I will send you the link in the WhatsApp, buddy. Not WhatsApp, I'm sorry, Telegram channel में आपको link मिल जाएगा. Okay, it will be shared in few minutes. Do not worry. Okay. Any more doubts on quantitative aptitude? Any more doubts on quantitative aptitude? Before I go to the next session, do you have any doubts on quantitative aptitude? No? Okay. So before I go to the next section, I would like to tell a couple of things. Once again, it's a sincere apologies, guys. कल ही शुरू होना चाहिए था सारे classes, but as I told you, because of the technical issues, even today since morning we are working on it. ये पूरा completely नया platform है, इसीलिए we are facing few issues. Gausia, आप Telegram में separate में message कीजिएगा. I will tell you about the banking exams. Okay, so in this class we will be talking about only the SSC body. आपको banking exams का syllabus चाहिए, you just text me in the WhatsApp in separate, guys. Okay, I'll explain there, don't worry. Okay, now so what I was telling is, so because of the technical issues we couldn't start yesterday. Okay, आज भी वही problem हो रहा है, but we will make sure by tomorrow afternoon everything is set. कल शाम से आपको YouTube लाइव क्लासेस मिल जाएंगे. बट इवन इफ यू मिस दैट, कल भी ऐसा ही टेक्निकल इश्यूज हुआ, टेंशन नहीं लेने का, क्योंकि आपको जूम इफ नॉट यूट्यूब क्लासेस, एटलीस्ट जूम क्लासेस तो मिल जाएगा. दोनों में एक तो जरूर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है एवरीबॉडी, इज दैट ओके फॉर यू गाइस? टाइमिंग बताएंगे प्रिया, 1 मिनट वेट करिए, 1 मिनट वेट करिए। I'll talk about timing. Okay, चलो, you guys are very eager to know about the timings. पहले वही डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। आप बताइए, आपको कब चाहिए क्लासेस? आपको कब चाहिए क्लासेस? You tell me the timings which you are comfortable with, guys. Based on that, we shall decide. After 1 p.m. Others 8 p.m. Others after 6 p.m. 4 p.m. 8 p.m. Acha, most of you are telling 4, 6, 8. Okay, hold on just a second. Okay, listen. Chalo, theek hai. Listen. Okay, 1 minute. Let me give my timings. Let me propose my timings. Look, every week we will be having 4 days of classes. Every week, 4 days. Okay, and that is 3 to 4 hours per day. 3 to 4 hours per day. Okay, it means in a week, you will get either 12 hours or 16 hours. That is 12 to 16 hours classes in a week. Okay, now coming to the timing. See, I am planning morning 8:30. One at morning 8:30. One class at morning 8:30 a.m. Another one in the evening at 6 p.m. 6 p.m. If I am unable to take in the morning, I'll continue in the evening. 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. will be there here. 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Here 8:30 to 9:30. 8:30 to 9:30. Morning I can take only 1 hour class. Evening 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Suppose if I miss this morning class, we will extend here. Gausia, even if you miss the class, do not worry. All the classes will be available in recorded session. All the classes will be recorded, every single class. Even this class also we are recording already and it will be uploaded to the YouTube. Ishika, that's what I'm telling. If you miss any classes, you can watch the recorded video. It will be available. This week there won't be any morning classes. This week there won't be any morning classes. Okay, this week we will take only evening classes. So first week है, धीरे चलते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Syllabus completion के बारे में ज्यादा सोचना मत. We will take care of it. So this week we will be having only evening sessions. पहले आप classes के लिए adjust होना चाहिए. इसके बाद we will start the extra classes as well. Okay. Subject we will let you know, Priya. We will let you know. देखो एक हफ्ते का, कल आपको मिल जाएगा, एक हफ्ते का पूरा schedule मिल जाएगा. Tomorrow I'll share it in the Telegram channel. For 1 week you'll get the entire schedule. Which day what we'll be discussing, that I will update you tomorrow. Yes, Gausia, you can do that, not a problem. You can do that. क्लास के बाद पूछ सकते हैं आप, क्लास के बाद पूछ सकते हैं. With respect to application, look, if you have already applied for SSC CGL, that is fine. But if you did not apply yet, do not worry. We have another plan for you. We gonna apply, one of our member will apply in the live class. तो ताकि आपको सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा. If you did not apply yet, one of our faculty will show you live class. In live class he will apply along with you. आप उनके साथ भी अप्लाई कर सकते चाहिए तो. ओके, तो ये भी लाइव मिल जाएगा आपको, ये भी लाइव मिल जाएगा. सो डू नॉट वरी अबाउट एप्लीकेशन एज वेल. ठीक है. ओके, सो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम है उधर एप्लीकेशन में, या फोटो साइज चेक, कुछ भी, जो भी प्रॉब्लम है सब सॉल्व हो जाएगा in the live session. So you can apply for the CGL along with our one of our trainers. He will help you, he will guide you in application as well. ठीक है. Is that good? Is that fine, guys? Can we continue now? Can we continue now? Okay, fine. Now listen. Classes. I told you 4 days in a week, right? Monday, there will be a class. Tuesday, there will be a class. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Monday, you will have class. Tuesday, you will have class. Wednesday, you don't have class. Wednesday, Bindu, last day to apply is January 31st. Last day to apply is January 31st. Okay. Now, Thursday you'll be having class, Friday you'll be having class. Saturday, Sunday you don't have class. But these can change. These can change. These can change. Suppose if there is a need for any extra class, we will take those classes on Saturday and Sunday. Am I clear? Am I clear? Teja Yadav, still the date is not announced. Probably it will be end of the May or in the first week of the June. Still it is not announced. Okay. So is the schedule is fine for everybody? Is the schedule is fine for everyone? Okay. Now, so we discussed about the quantitative aptitude. Is this discussed about we discussed about quantitative aptitude, and we discussed about timings as well. Okay. Now, once again, I'm telling you, if you miss any of the classes, do not worry, aapko video mil jayega. So that is all I can tell you guys. Okay. So let us continue. Now, with respect to analytical reasoning, guys, I will not be explaining. I will not be explaining. There is another faculty, Praveen Jadhav. He will explain you everything about analytical reasoning in his first class. Okay. Okay. Now, when it comes to general awareness, now in general awareness, still we have few doubts, guys. What all we have in general awareness? आपको मिल जाएगा current affairs का questions. Okay. Current affairs का questions और history, polity, economics, और physics, chemistry, and biology. I might be missing a couple of topics, not a problem. So these are the few important topics in the general awareness. Now, still we have not decided whether to conduct general awareness classes or not. Okay. Now we will confirm you in this week. Within this week, we will confirm you whether we'll be conducting general awareness or not. As I told you, my main concentration is on quantitative aptitude, analytical reasoning, and verbal ability, because these topics you can study on your own. आप खुद पढ़ सकते हैं सारे topics को, but आपको aptitude, reasoning और verbal ability के लिए classes बिल्कुल चाहिए. So we will be concentrating mainly on those topics, guys. Okay. So about general awareness, I will give you confirmation. We are not sure whether the time will be sufficient or not. So based on that, I will let you know, guys. Okay. Am I clear with that? Science, that's what, Priya. I'll let you know by the end of this week. By the end of this week, हम लोग आपको confirmation मिल जाएगा. साइंस में ये तीनों टॉपिक पढ़ना है, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री और बायोलॉजी. See, if possible, you can start your preparations for the GK with the GK Lucents people. Okay, if time is available, we will try to teach the same content to you from Lucents. Okay, if the time is not sufficient, then we will suggest you to prepare on your own. Now, when it comes to the test papers, okay, now I will give you my website link. We will give you the website link where you can take free tests, topic wise tests. Okay, you can attend these topic wise tests, but we do not have Gaussian Lucent. See, this is the book name. This is the book name for GK. LUCENT GK. Okay, you can refer this one Gaussian. तो ये बुक आपको बोथ इंग्लिश और हिंदी में, सो दोनों लैंग्वेज में मिल जाएगा. सो यू कैन चूज विच एवर यू आर कंफर्टेबल विथ. ठीक है ना. ये जो टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट है ये सारे फ्री में आपको मिल जाएगा, लेकिन फुल फ्लेज्ड वी आर नॉट प्रोवाइडिंग फुल फ्लेज्ड टेस्ट गाइस, बिकॉज स्टिल वी डिड नॉट प्रिपेयर येट. ओके, व्हाट विल आई डू इज इंग्लिश हो जाएगा प्रिया, इंग्लिश हो जाएगा फॉर फुल फ्लेज्ड टेस्ट, टायर 1 फुल फ्लेज्ड टेस्ट के लिए. सो हम क्या करने वाला है, वी विल सजेस्ट यू एनी वन टेस्ट सीरीज. ओके, you have to buy this guys. So we will check. We have not yet decided which test series and all, तो आप खुद परचेज कर सकते हैं. We will tell you which is the good test series, that's all. आप जाओ वो टेस्ट सीरीज खरीदो, तो वही टेस्ट सीरीज हम क्लास में भी डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, यस निकिता, मैथ भी हो जाएगा निकिता. तो we will suggest you any particular test series. Okay, हमको एक बार पूरा देखना पड़ेगा, उसके बाद हम लोग आपको भी सजेस्ट करेंगे. तो पहले एक महीने तक पूरा टेस्ट सीरीज के बारे में मत सोचना, फुल फ्लेज्ड टेस्ट के बारे में भूल जाओ. डू नॉट वरी अबाउट इट. सो आफ्टर अ मंथ आई एम गोना सजेस्ट यू एनी वन टेस्ट सीरीज. आप जाइए खुद परचेज कीजिए ना, हम भी परचेज करेंगे वही टेस्ट सीरीज को, and we will solve. You take the test. I will tell you in one day in advance. ठीक है, एक दिन पहले आपको मिल जाएगा और टेस्ट पेपर कौन सी लेना है. ओके, आप टेस्ट लीजिएगा, तो वही टेस्ट पेपर हम क्लासरूम में फिर से सॉल्व करेंगे, और सारे टेस्ट पेपर्स का आपको वीडियो एनालिसिस भी मिल जाएगा. Am I clear with this point, everybody? Okay. एक्सीलेंट गाइस. सो वी आर सो सॉरी अबाउट इट. अब ये भी एक्चुअली हम लोग फ्री में दे सकते थे, लेकिन वी आर अभी स्टार्टअप है, सो ऑनलाइन में हम लोग अभी आ रहे हैं. सो वी डू नॉट हैव द टेक्नोलॉजी कंप्लीटली गाइस. ओके, तो अगली एग्जाम्स में आपको वो भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं शायद, पर लेकिन इस एग्जाम के लिए वी डू नॉट हैव द फुल फ्लेज्ड टेस्ट, बट टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट आपको फ्री में मिल जाएगा. ओके, आई विल गिव यू द लिंक. भवानी लिसन सुनिए, जब एक्चुअल क्लासेस शुरू होता है कल से, आपको सारे एक्सप्लेनेशन हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों लैंग्वेज में मिल जाएगा. ओके, ऐसा नहीं है कि हम सिर्फ इंग्लिश में पढ़ाते हैं या सिर्फ हिंदी में पढ़ाते हैं. हम एक बार इंग्लिश में आपको सिखाएंगे, उसके बाद फिर से हिंदी में सिखाएंगे. ठीक है भवानी, एम आई क्लियर विद दैट? Okay guys, so far any doubts for you, any other doubts for you? पूजा जीके, पूजा अभी जीके का कंफर्मेशन नहीं दिए. टेस्ट सीरीज का तो एक्सप्लेनेशन पक्का हो जाएगा, लेकिन जीके सेपरेटली आपको पढ़ाएंगे कि नहीं पढ़ाएंगे वो एक कंफर्मेशन अभी नहीं दिया मैंने. ये वीकेंड तक आपको पता चल जाएगा, क्योंकि टाइम थोड़ा शॉर्ट है. मैं ज्यादा कंसंट्रेशन एप्टीट्यूड, रीजनिंग और वर्बल एबिलिटी पे देना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि जीके आप खुद पढ़ सकते हैं, यू कैन प्रिपेयर ऑन योर ओन, लेकिन बाकी तीनों टॉपिक में आपको एक्सप्लेनेशन चाहिए. सो विल अश्योर यू ऑल दोस थ्री सेक्शंस विल बी एक्सप्लेन्ड क्लियरली. ओके, तो जीके के लिए अभी मैंने कंफर्मेशन कुछ नहीं दे पाऊंगा. आई विल लेट यू नो बाय द एंड ऑफ द वीक. सही है, क्योंकि यार आप ही खुद सोचो, जब आप खुद पढ़ सकते हैं, व्हाई शुड वी स्पेंड एक्स्ट्रा टाइम ऑन दैट इन द क्लासेस, राइट? बट एप्टीट्यूड खुद पढ़ना, रीजनिंग खुद पढ़ना, वर्बल खुद पढ़ना नहीं होता है, तो उसके लिए तो क्लासेस चाहिए. सो वी विल बी कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग मेनली ऑन दैट. ओके, everybody, any other doubts to ask? Any other doubts to ask? Any other doubts to ask? No doubt. Excellent. So कल का क्लास फिर से 8 o'clock को होगा. Tomorrow class starts at 8 p.m. sharp, guys. I'll assure you there won't be any delay. There won't be any delay. That's my guarantee. Sharp 8 p.m. कल कल का क्लास होगा. और one more thing, tomorrow we will be starting with. Am I not audible, guys? Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Confirm. Am I audible? Okay, okay. So कल का पहला क्लास होगा हमारा स्पीड मैथमेटिक्स. कल इवनिंग में क्लास. दिस वीक नो मॉर्निंग क्लासेस, गाइस. दिस वीक नो मॉर्निंग क्लासेस, ओनली इवनिंग क्लासेस. ओके, वन सेकेंड, वन सेकेंड. So tomorrow's class will be speed maths. Tomorrow's class will be on speed maths. For 2 hours, we will be working only on speed mathematics. I'm not alone going to solve it. आपको भी हमारे साथ सॉल्व करना पड़ता है उधर. Okay, it will be on Zoom or in the YouTube people. I will let you know in advance. आपको 6 बजे तक कंफर्मेशन मिल जाएगा whether class will be in YouTube or in the Zoom class, guys. Okay. So any doubts to ask anybody? If you don't have any doubts, we will be ending the session today. So as I told you, today it will be only the introduction and the strategy. Okay. So if you have any other doubts, people, you can ask, or else we will be ending the session. Okay, people. So that's all for the day. So tomorrow, sharp at 8 p.m. 8 p.m. we will start our first regular classes, guys. So this week there will be only evening session. From next week onwards, we shall have both morning as well as evening session, guys. Okay, you're welcome, people. You're welcome. And do not forget, guys, go to our YouTube channel. Go to our YouTube channel and go to playlists. Go to playlists and you will find many videos there, people. If you want to start in advance, you can start your preparations. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome, guys. And one more thing, if anybody of you are thinking that, they are telling they are giving free classes, लेकिन कई क्लास के बाद इसको पेड कन्वर्ट करेंगे, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. आप टेंशन नहीं लेने का. सारे के सारे क्लासेस, हर क्लास आपको फ्री में मिलेगा. हर क्लास. We don't even charge you single penny for any of the class. YouTube चैनल जस्ट होल्ड ऑन, अभी मैं लिंक भेज रहा हूं आपको. एक सेकेंड रुकिए, एक सेकेंड रुकिए. जस्ट अ सेकेंड, गाइस. I'm sharing the link here. Okay. Yes, Learn Online is our company name, guys. Learn Online is our company name. Okay, and that's our YouTube channel link, guys. This is our YouTube channel link. You can go through, you'll find videos in Hindi, Kannada, and English as well, guys. So you can just go through the playlists. Aapko, like, for many topics, you'll find the videos in our channel, guys. Okay. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. Okay, if you have any doubts, you can always contact us in Telegram channel. And few people, they will be doing the negative comments in the Telegram channel, guys. या क्या है, पढ़ाते ही कि नहीं है? So ऐसा comments आ रहे थे, but बस ध्यान मत देना. Trust the trainer, guys. That's all I can tell to you. Okay, have faith in us, and eventually you will only understand what we are going to provide to you. ठीक है? Thank you, guys. Have a good day ahead. We'll meet you all tomorrow one more time at 8 p.m. shop. Thank you so much. You can leave for the day.